Hi everyone, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and my Fashionsta box typically comes toward the end of the month, and this one is a little earlier than usual. Today is the, Alexa, what day is today?
Today is Monday the 28th of June.
Well, it's actually the 28th, so anyway, I have the box up high on this table because I have the minster here, and let me see, maybe now that he's got his bone, he'll let me drop the table down a little. Anyway, there are 6 items in this box, and I like what I'm seeing just from this, so let's take a look. First there is this La Vito Evening Primrose Seed, Sea Buckthorn, and Pumpkin Seed Age Away Hydrating Cream. And it's for dry, mature skin. Awesome. That is right up my alley. I've heard of this brand as far as body lotions, but not so much for face cream. And this goes for $55. Holy crap. Okay, so anyway, it is 1.69 fluid ounces. After I pull everything out and I know that I still have battery power, I will pop things out. This is from Makeup Geek. It is a purple eyeliner. I like the fact that we're getting a colored eyeliner because I have lots of black and I got tired of black. Okay, and this is from Floss, and I just got almost the exact same thing from Beauty Test Tube. Yeah, that didn't work out well at all. Okay, so the Makeup Geek eyeliner goes for $7. Okay, then this Floss Lip Advocate is $10. I already have one and I really like it, so I'm not going to be adverse to getting another one. And that Floss Lip Advocate is $18. And then there's Cuticle Oil from, it looks like Mia, and that is $22. And actually was just about to buy a cuticle oil. You can see there's a little tiny doe foot applicator in there, which I really appreciate. And yeah, this is really nice, very nice. And I love the packaging, very sleek and modern, very nice. And that is normally $22, in case I didn't say that already. Then there is this, an essence. Okay, and this is Nuria Defend Skin Shielding Essence, $36. I'll open all the boxes after I get everything out. And there's one more thing in there, item number 6. A lot of people got this from BoxyCharm, but I am not a BoxyCharm member, so I am very happy to get this. I'm not sure if this is the same palette that BoxyCharm gave out. So that is Ace Beauté Vintage Dawn, and it's $35. So unfortunately, I had to raise the table again because he would not leave the stuff alone. So I'm going to move the box out of the way, and I am going to open everything. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, so here's everything that came in the box, now out of their boxes. I am very, very happy with this box. I'll start out first with the Age Away Moisturizer, and this is La Vito Age Away Hydrating Cream, $55, balances the skin's moisture levels, improves skin texture and tone, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, this is pretty good. It's got Evening Primrose, Sea Buckthorn, and Pumpkin Seed. That is super nice, so hopefully the pumpkin seed part doesn't irritate my skin. The next thing is this incredibly amazing looking essence. This is Nuria Defend Skin Shielding Essence, $36. Formulated with plant-based extracts to strengthen your skin's natural defenses. Wow, this is really cool. I love the little suspended beads in there. That's like, look at that. That's really cool. But it is an essence, so I'm assuming it'll come out very loose. Next thing is the Cuticle Oil. And this is from cutioils.com or .co. This is Cutie Oil number named Mia. It's $22. Help restore brittle nails back to health. Nourish your cuticles and nails with this mixture of coconut oil, macadamia oil, meadow foam oil, and jojoba oil. Very nice. Cruelty, all this stuff, by the way, is cruelty-free, which is awesome. A lot of it is vegan. Before I go further, let me just tell you guys what is vegan. It's all cruelty-free. This is vegan, the Levito. The Nuria is vegan. The oil, cuticle oil, is vegan. Everything's cruelty-free. Okay, so, and then there's this floss. This is actually a lip balm, and I already have one, but I'm not against having another one, and this is in a color I don't have called Your Honor. Some of these do put a little bit of a color to your lips, which is also good. And the floss is $19, Lip Advocate. And then there's the Makeup Geek pencil, and this, I don't know if you can actually see the color. And now I have a giant dog behind me, so I'm not going to be able to pop the top off of this for you guys. But I will, when I do the trying all the things, this will be one of those. Okay, and then Ace Beauté Vintage. And that, by the way, is cruelty-free. It does not say vegan for this, but it does say cruelty-free. So that's good. And then this Ace Beauté Vintage Dawn Palette is $35, and it says cruelty-free. It does not say vegan. So. All right, so wow. Let me take the plastic sheet off. Holy crap. This is freaking beautiful. Absolutely freaking beautiful. I don't think I have anything like this. This is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I hope the color is coming across. It doesn't look like it is. Let me tilt it a little bit so you can see the colors a little bit better. The sun is bleaching things out, but yeah, this is freaking beautiful. It is. And this blue is freaking beautiful. Oh my God, I can't wait to use this. Yeah, me, Mary with the no makeup, is actually excited. So anyway, I am really excited about all this stuff. It's all fabulous. And I really, really am happy with this box. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. This will not go into the current trying all the things. I'll be taking all of my June boxes and putting them in one for July. So I'll do a final June trying all the things. Crap. It's the end, almost the end of, it is the end of June. We have 2 days left. So I better get busy trying stuff. So anyway, thank you and have a beautiful evening. Good night.